Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Facebook account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Facebook account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address facebook.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected over here, which is the home page of Facebook. Now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to enter your email address over here, or your username or your phone number with which you are signed up for a Facebook account. So let's remove these. Now in order to log into your account, let's enter our email address. But if you have not yet created an account on Facebook, you can always sign up for a Facebook account from over here, which says the create a new account. If you click over there, you'll be redirected to a procedure or a registration process of Facebook, where you'll be able to sign up for a Facebook account. With that being said, guys, let's enter in our email address. And after entering our email address, let's go with the password. But if you have forgotten your account's password, guys, you'll always be able to reset or request to retrieve your account's password from over here, which is the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to retrieve or reset your Facebook account's password. So with that being said, let's click on login. And there, guys, we have successfully signed into our Facebook on our computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.